So I'm in Richmond to see my little brother, and we went to a park. It was really pretty. Well, it's just still any other regular park, honestly. But and of course my parents had a fight like they always do. I just needed some alone time to get away from the toxicity and the energies and vibrations, because honestly my whole problem the past 3 years is I've been around people so much, even if they're good intention people. Being around people as an empath and a sensitive, picking up on their energy and absorbing their energy, I lost myself because I didn't even protect my energy or my aura. And so I absorbed other people's energy. I absorbed negative vibrations. And that's why I really like being by myself, because I don't have to worry or deal with any other energy or vibrations but my own. So when I do want to go out and socialize and be around people, I need to be able to have a lot of crystals on me, and I need to cleanse my aura before I go out with people, and then cleanse my aura after I go out with people, and spend at least one day alone by myself to refresh and replenish my energy. It's not even about being an introvert, because I do like being around people. It's not about being socially awkward. It's about being sensitive and empath. And I need to take better care of my spirit. And my ear is doing that shit again where it's like popping and shit. You need to get that checked out.